Cosmo, thank you very much for coming. We'll talk about CHAZOPs today. As Nancy said, I'm a safety and control system specialist here at AutoPro in Calgary. I have over 25 years of experience in automation and process functional safety, and I'm a member of several committees, notably the 61508 on the international side. Here in Canada, the Standards Council of Canada, the technical or the Task Force on Functional Safety, the IEC 61511 Mirror Committee, and some others. And I'm also on a CSA committee, electronics or functional safety involving electronics. So our agenda today. So because CHAZOPs are very similar to HAZOPs, we'll review what a HAZOP is. We'll go into high-level detail on it. We'll introduce the CHAZOP concept, go through the process, and as well as some goals and expected goals and outcomes. And then, as Nancy said, at the end, we'll have some time for discussion and questions. So a HAZOP is essentially just a hazard and operability study. We identify what process and hazard operational hazards through a systematic approach, and we design, or we fail the design at different aspects. So we'll find causes and to see what happens, and the idea is to figure that out before before construction. The primary goal is to improve the design and operational efficiency as much as possible. So again, the potential risks can be revealed during the process design and not after. So on the left side, we take a look at a pressure controller there, and if that pressure controller does not work, what happens? And if the consequence and the severity of that is high enough, then on the right side, we might have to add some ESD valves. So as an example, so. Oops, my apologies, mouse is touchy. So again, we use the hazard matrix and identify what the causes and consequences are. We determine how severe they are, how bad, and how likely they are to occur. And again, we develop what the risk is. We apply safeguards to bring that risk back to a tolerable level. So again, we start off with something in the orange or the red, and then as we apply the safeguards or layers of protection, we can reduce the severity and the likelihood.